Listen carefully, because this message is not for everyone. It's for the one who fell, but refused to stay down. You've been underestimated, overlooked, counted out. People saw your silence and thought you were weak. They saw your patience and thought you were done. But they were wrong. What they didn't see were the nights you cried alone, the moments you almost quit, the strength it took just to keep breathing. You didn't disappear. You were rebuilding. You weren't losing, you were learning. You weren't being punished, you were being prepared. And now, this is your moment. Say this slowly. This is my comeback season. The pain didn't defeat you. It shaped you. The delay didn't stop you. It trained you. The rejection didn't end you. It redirected you. You are rising with wisdom now, with clarity now, with strength you didn't have before. This time, you're not coming back desperate. You're coming back focused. This time, you're not coming back angry. You're coming back peaceful. This time, you're not coming back to prove anything. You're coming back to claim what's yours. Get ready to surprise yourself. Get ready to shock people who doubted you. Get ready to walk into rooms you once prayed just to enter. You didn't survive all that for nothing. You survived it because you were meant to rise higher. Breathe this in. Feel it in your chest. This is your comeback season, and it's going to be powerful.